Greetings from the borough of Queens, New York, and hello from Junction Blvd. Everybody, it's Brian. Working in the borough of Queens. And this is an arrival off of the 7 train to Junction Blvd. This would be around the 96th Street area of Queens, New York. Busy area for shopping. You can get a full view down the block. Lots of food carts, restaurants. It's around 6 o'clock in the evening. $5 masks. A very busy area of Queens. And every time I walk underneath the train tracks, I know that I'm in the borough. And this is Junction Blvd, where I will be working later this evening. Just wanted to show you a quick arrival. Arriving in the neighborhood. A lot of people miss their outings in New York. And one of the joys that I have of living in I Love New York is having the opportunity to work in all of these different neighborhoods and different communities. You can see it's outdoor dining season. And we have the flag of Mexico and the flag of Colombia. The restaurants in the borough of Queens are known to serve the most authentically flavored cuisine from around the world. As well, this is the most diverse place on the planet with the most languages spoken, and it is a place to be. For those of you who don't already know it, I love Queens, New York. Actually, my family had lived in Queens, Maspeth, New York, to be specific. That would have been my grandmother, my grandfather, my brothers, my sister, my mom, my dad. There's Queens, New York in my blood. Here's a look at some outdoor dining. It is coronavirus, COVID-19 global pandemic, and right now, this area is in code yellow, which means there is a high number of warnings. Things are supposed to be at less capacity. Religious establishments have limitations based on how many people can be in. And it is autumn season, and I love walking down Junction Blvd to see all of the holiday decorations. But with the large Mexican community, there's a ton of marigolds for Dia de los Muertos, which is a flower that is very often used in the altars. And look at how tall they are. You know, it's a special flower when they bring them in for that height. Often when they grow here in New York, they're much smaller at the ground level, but those are special for altars, which happens at the end of this month. And I will be heading down about 10 more blocks on Junction Blvd. So if you haven't been to Corona, Queens, one of the things that I would recommend is coming for the restaurants. Really, the food here, very unique experience. And back to, if you're flower shopping, you'll find the tallest marigolds in Corona. All right, that's a quick glimpse from ever beautiful I Love New York. Till next time, from Corona, Queens.